Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Dolls and Daydreams, and today I'm going to be talking about all the spooky cute patterns we have ready for Halloween. I think something might be telling you this already, but yeah, let's get started right now. Okay, so this Halloween I decided to start it off with a very cute little devil. He is ever so chubby and ever so cheeky, and he comes in sewing and in the hoop, of course. He is hilarious with his little fork. I just feel like he's going to be running around like trying to poke everybody. Followed by the Tiny Tot Witch. She is ever so darling. I absolutely love her. And of course, she had to come with her very own tote, which is a fun little cauldron. Now, you could probably fit a few candies in there too, but she fits perfectly, and so will your other wizards. Just with a little bit of magic, if you add the witch's accessories to Tiny Tom, you too can get a little warlock. He's kind of looking familiar. And finally, I decided to make a black cat. And I did this out of socks, and the free tutorial is on my YouTube channel. Do check it out. It's great fun, and you get to sew along with me. Now, of course, we have tons of other Halloween patterns and also Day of the Dead patterns, which I really enjoy. I was very lucky enough to go to Guadalajara last year and take part in the Day of the Dead festival in Tlaquepaque. So let's have a look at the new sections on the website. If you just pop over to it, you can go underneath either your sewing patterns that you use or your embroidery patterns that you use. Go all the way down to the bottom. Go all the way down to the bottom and you will see the holiday section. Now click on that and you will see every single holiday you can think of. I've tried to cover them all. We have Halloween, Day of the Dead, Thanksgiving, and finally Christmas right at the end. So if Halloween isn't your thing, don't worry. You can start on your Christmas patterns right now. Now on the website, it's really cool. We also have a free tutorial section. This was always there, it's just been buried under different sections, and now it's got its own tab, so hopefully you will never miss a free tutorial video or write-up again. I absolutely love October. I love doing a bit of holiday sewing, and I love the fact that it can be handmade. I hope everybody has fun stitching up some Halloween spooky cuteness. Take care, and I'll look forward to sharing some more doll making tutorials with you on YouTube this week. Don't forget to subscribe, it's great fun. We absolutely love sewing dolls and softies.